Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my friend and I will explain and practice about the propulsion motor speed control simulation to push button in direct input. Here we use the Arduino IDE software and the Proteus software. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fajril Nurfianto and my friend.
And my name is Rian Adi Prakoso. Okay, in here we have a chart diagram about active high and active low. For the first condition, if the push button one on condition low, the motor DC will turn off. And then for the condition push button one on condition high, and then push button two on condition low, the motor DC will rotate counterclockwise. And then for the push button one on condition high and push button two on condition high, the motor DC will be rotate clockwise. And then for the push button one on condition low, for the motor DC will turn off. Okay, we go to the Proteus. Okay, next.
The time we present 12 volt DC motor speed control simulation text using to push button where where one push button is for power and push button is clockwise or counter clockwise based on the Arduino Uno microcontroller, Proteus software and Arduino IDE. The component we use consists of Arduino to push button, resistor, power, two transistor, one and two pole relay, three batteries, two octocouplers, DC motor, and blue light. The first step begin by adding Arduino Uno components into the Proteus simulation. Next, create an indirect input circuit by connecting a push button connected to power, resistor, octocoupler, and ground to the input pin. The Arduino output pin is connected to a resistor which is the connector to transistor, which function as a connector or breaker and relay with a 5-volt setting as a safety measure because the voltage from the battery exceed the Arduino voltage capacity. After that, the two DC motor pins are connected to different relay output, where then from the relay pole, the output is passed to grounding. Two positive pin of the battery is connected to the input pole of the relay and transistor, while the other pin is connected to grounding. After the protest device is assembled, the next step is to create a program using Arduino IDE software, which will be transferred to Arduino Uno in the protest simulation.
Okay, we go to the program. In here we have a program about the motor DC simulation. For the first, we define the variable we use. We define pin one, use pin 12, pin two use pin 13, and then PB1 use A0 and PB2 use A1. And then for the void setup, we initiated for the pin 1 as an output and pin 2 as an output. And then for the PB1 is as a input and PB2 is as input. And then for the void loop, if a digital read PB1 on low and digital read PB2 on low, digital read pin 1 is low and pin 2 is low. And then for the else if digital rate PP1 is high and digital read PB2 is high, and then for the pin 1 is high and pin 2 in low. And then for the else if digital read PB1 on high and PB2 on low, the digital wait pin 1 on condition low and pin 2 on condition high. And then for the else if for PP1 on condition low and PP2 on condition high, digital weight, pin 1 on condition low, and then pin 2 on condition low. Okay, we verify the program, and then we have the hex file. We copy that and input to the Proteus. Okay, we go to Proteus, and then, nah, we replace it. Okay, we run the simulation. Okay, simulation is running. For the first condition, if a push button one for on off is condition low, the motor DC will turn off. And then for the push button one on condition high, then push button two on condition low, the motor DC will be rotate uh, con for the push button one on condition high and push button two for condition high, the motor DC will be rotate clockwise. Okay, motor DC will rotate clockwise. And then when the push button two on condition low, nah, the motor DC will be rotate for counterclockwise. Okay, we waiting for the motor DC will rotate counterclockwise. Nah, the motor DC rotate for the counterclockwise. And then when the push button one on condition low, the motor DC will be turned off. Okay, uh, that's it. We can explain about the motor DC simulation using push button indirect. Thank you for watching and goodbye.